Jazmine here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm starting something new on my channel called Tutorial Tuesdays, and where on Tuesdays I do a tutorial, a crazy like this kind of tutorial, just really creative, really dramatic, and just out there, and just really all of my creative juices are flowing, and just I make crazy beautiful looks like this one. And so this is the first look and the first tutorial Tuesday that you guys will be, trying to establish. It's very easy. It looks really hard, but like it was really easy. And also, if you guys recreate my looks, then also tag me in them. My Instagram and my Snapchat and my Twitter and everything will be linked down below. And so if you guys want to see how you create this gorgeous blue, purple, sparkly makeup look, and then keep on watching. Okay, so today's look is going to be very colorful, a lot of blues, a lot of purples, and so yes. So yeah, if you like those kind of looks, and then this is going to be a good video for you. I'm going to first start out with priming my eyelids with the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in Amon. And today it's been abnormally warm. It's really weird, and I don't know how I feel about it because I'm used to this cold weather, and it's warm outside right now. It was like 60 degrees today. It's crazy. Alrighty, now we can go into the look. And so I have a lot of palettes out in front of me right now. Just because I don't have a lot of purple shades in one palette, so I just have a lot of colors, I just have a lot of palettes out right now. Sorry that this tutorial is not going to just be one palette. I know it's kind of really annoying, but you also can just use colors that are similar to this, so you can always substitute for different colors. And just like a regular, like a normal, like not really getting into like the darkish purple colors yet. We're going to be taking this color right here from the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. And this will just be our transition color, just so everything can blend out smoothly. Okay, now that we have the base color down, we're going to get a little darker. Okay, but I have so many colors out in front of me, it's kind of overwhelming. I'm actually going to try to stick with one palette right now, so I'm going to go with this color right here, just slowly deepening up the crease until we just get this really elegant, like, fade. And I'm using a smaller brush. I'm going to use this one by Morphe. It is the M433 brush. I'm just going to really try to keep this in my crease and not go on the lid as much. And I'm kind of winging this out, but not that much. To deepen it up a little bit more, I'm going to take this color right here and use a really small brush. This is the Luxie 229 brush, and really lightly go into the crease. And just really lightly make this deepen up the crease a little bit more. Alright, now we have this look on our face right here. We're going to cut the crease, and I'm using the same concealer that I just primed my eyelids today with. And I'm going to be winging out this cut crease. If you guys don't know how to do a cut crease, you just watch me. I don't really know how to explain it. You're basically just putting concealer on your entire lid and then just not putting it on your crease. I don't really know how to explain it. Okay, now that we have that down, I can't really open my eye right now. Just wait. I'll look a little funky until the end. Now, for the inner part of the cut crease today, I'm going to be taking this blue color right here. I know, it looks kind of crazy, but this is going to bring color into the look today. To apply this color, I'm just going to stamp it on there. And take your time during this part. Now that we have that done, we're going to put this purple or pink color, no, not pink or purple, blue color right here. It's like a shimmery, still like a shimmery navy blue color. And we're going to put that in the middle of the crease today, or the lid today. And this is going to be like an ombre look, ombre effect. And you want to blend those two colors together, don't have like a really distinct look. Now for the last shimmery shade on the lid, we're going to be taking this purple shade right here and just going to be finishing up putting this on the places where we put the concealer. I'm going to use a smaller brush to fill in the wing part. I like this. Ooh, nice. I just want to put more blue in the crease area, so I'm going to be taking a tiny bit, like when I mean a tiny bit, I mean a tiny bit, little tiny bit of this blue, and just right above the crease. Just to bring more blue into the look, because I really don't see any blue until we get to the lid. Ooh, I'm thinking of doing a white liner with this. That's going to look really good. Okay, now I'm going to do that on the other eye. Pray for me. Pray for me that I can do this on the other eye, and I'll be right back. Now, I think I'm done. I really want to add wing liner or something, or white wing liner or something like that to this look. I think I'm going to do like some like white in the cut crease, and then a regular black liner in the bottom. Now with this, you really have to have a steady hand with this. This part is stressful. Take some deep breaths. Okay, so that was not the best I could have done. So I'm just gonna go over with the blues and the purple and make the line really sharp. Okay, now the other side. Hopefully this one will be better. And I tried to like fade it out right here, just to give more like a cool effect to it. Alright, wow, I'm proud of myself for this. This was really stressful, but I'm proud. It's not the best, but it's a start. Now I'm just going to be doing a regular wing and then like connect it on the sides. This part should be easy. And actually, since I don't really want to cover up the purple that much, I just made like a line under the purple just to make it really sharp, as you can see. Like look at this side compared to this side, just to make it really sharp. And I just tightlined or not tightlined, but put some on my waterline and stuff just to make sure that my eyelashes will go on nicely. Now that the eyes are finally done, oh my gosh, that took a while, I'm going to be putting on the Allure Definition number 126 lashes, and then I'll be right back so we can do the face and finish up. Alright, I'm back. I did my lashes. They look cute. They look cute. I'm happy. I'm happy with this look. Oh, yes, I'm ready to move on to the face. I'm ready. So, to prime my face, I'm using the Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser Primer. I sing all the time, like randomly, just for fun. Just randomly singing. I don't know why. Oh, I forgot I had this thing on my head. I should probably take it off. Let's take this thing off. I am using the Milani Conceal and Perfect. I can't talk. I'm using the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. I got some breakouts today, so I need like a fuller coverage foundation. And see, this foundation is so full coverage, so nice. I love this foundation. Yeah, always bring it down your neck. Even though you think it's your shade, it might not be the exact match, so bring it down your neck just to be sure. Alright, now for cream contour today, I'm using the NYX cream contour. I'm using this shade. Okay, and there's this another color in here, like right here, that I want to put underneath my contour. It's just to try it out. I should have put it above. That would have made more sense. Okay, so yeah, I see my regular contour and then that weird line that I put there. I shouldn't have done that. Yes, I got some snatch cheekbones today. I'm going to bake my face today, or not, oh my gosh. I'm going to put on the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee before I bake my face today. Okay, now I'm going to bake with my Airspun powder. I don't use a lot of this when I'm baking. And I barely even bake. Like, I use just a slight amount just to put in the places where I highlighted. And then I take the Laura Mercier setting powder in the deep, dark or medium deep, I don't really know. And I set my face, the rest of my face with this. And while I'm setting my face, I brush away my bake too and make it all look seamless. Alright, so I just realized that I barely have any any more storage on my SIM card right now, so we need to hurry this up. Alright, so for blush, I'm taking this Ulta blush, the one in the middle. It's a peachy blush. And I feel like peachy colors go really well with blues, so that's what I'm using today. Okay, so for highlighter today, I'm using the Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick Compact. Just gonna swirl my brush around in here. Now for the under eyes. I'm going to be taking some of that purpley, like a shade that we first put in the second purpley shade we put in our crease. And blending that out. Okay, alright, to get the paste. Alright, with a more tapered blending brush, I'm going to put that really dark purple shade really close to my lash line. And then, ooh, I have a really pretty color that I want to put in my inner corner today. It is this color right here. It's just like really cool, like shimmery color. I don't really have anything else like this. Oh, and it's a little dark to be putting here. So since it's a little dark, I'm going to be taking some of this, like one of the whiter and lighter colors, and just putting that. And I put a lot. Oh my gosh. Alright, now some setting spray. Now for lips today, I feel like doing a dark color just because I haven't done one in a while. And this one has no, like, name to it. It's old. It just is dark. Never mind, that this does not go with our look today. Hold up. I'm actually gonna wear this NYX Extreme Lip Cream in skin tone. And I'm going to mix this. I'm going to put some brown on the outer corner. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like this new series that I'm starting on my channel, Tutorial Tuesdays. And if you guys want to see more Tutorial Tuesdays, definitely give this video a like and also subscribe to my channel down below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!